Let's learn about the top 5 best programming languages of 2024. The first one is JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level programming language that is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. JavaScript was created in 1995 and was initially known as LiveScript. However, Java was a very popular language at that time, so it was advertised as a younger brother of Java. As it evolved over time, JavaScript became a fully independent language. The second one is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today and is easy for beginners to learn because of its readability. It is a free, open source programming language with extensive support modules and community development, easy integration with web services, user-friendly data structures, and GUI-based desktop applications. It is a popular programming language for machine learning and deep learning applications. The third one is Go. Go was developed by Google in 2007 for APIs and web applications. Go was recently become one of the fastest growing programming languages due to its simplicity as well as its ability to handle multi-core and networked systems and massive code bases. Go, also known as Golang, was created to meet the needs of programmers working on large projects. The fourth one is Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages used today. Owned by Oracle Corporation, this general-purpose programming language with its object-oriented structure has become a standard for applications that can be used regardless of platform like Mac, Windows, Android, iOS, etc. because of its write once, run anywhere WORA capabilities. As a result, Java is recognized for its portability across platforms, from mainframe data centers to smartphones. Today, there are more than 3 billion devices running applications built with Java. Java is widely used in web and applications development as well as big data. The fifth one is Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language originally developed and unveiled as Project Kotlin by JetBrains in 2011. The first version was officially released in 2016. It is interoperable with Java and supports the functional programming languages. Kotlin is used extensively for Android apps, web applications, desktop application, and server-side application development. Kotlin was built to be better than Java, and people who use this language are convinced. Now tell me, what is your favorite language among them, or what language you want to learn in near future?